feel like, oh my word. Okay, so these look like they're all the same
those are the new
style.
Yes.
Okay, Streamline.
These are their new Streamline hooks, and they come in 3 different colors.
Wow. Okay, there's just something about natural wood too. Like I think it's so beautiful.
Super pretty.
Like, oh, these are gonna photograph so well. Like,
they're all just props.
Kicking up my Instagram game.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to just try actually like crocheting with good quality stuff.
You're gonna love it.
They're so pretty.
They're super
this is
pretty.
Some sort of like crazy beautiful black wood.
Don't hate me, Furls. I can't remember the names of all of the wood. I like yarn.
Well,
but
yeah. And we love these, but
yes. These are awesome also because sometimes like I have seen people, the Odyssey hooks are a little like they're weightier than typical, especially people who go from like plastic hooks to an Odyssey. Huge weight difference.
Change, huh?
But so then these are really awesome because they are more affordable and they are lighter, if you notice, than even like the other wooden one.
I know, it's like almost,
it's almost like
nothing.
Exactly.
It's like crochet with cloud. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. I'm like obsessed with this kind of like.
That one's my favorite too.
So pretty.